In the last Playhouse series video, I was able to build and add the second slide, add the roof, and put together the frame for the swings. Now it's time to finish the exterior and add all of the interior to complete this playhouse.
I want to take a moment to thank the sponsor of today's video, Siterwell. Siterwell prioritizes safety by specializing in smoke, carbon monoxide, gas, heat, and water well alarms. With Siterwell's wireless smoke and carbon monoxide alarm, it can detect smoke faster than you can. It comes equipped with a 10-year lithium battery, so you can enjoy long-lasting safety for a reliable decade. Its easy installation and setup makes it suitable for various spaces like kitchens, bedrooms, living rooms, hallways, and even garages. For me personally, the kitchen is a no brainer, especially with all of the cooking and baking that I do on a daily basis. Even more so for the times I accidentally walk away longer than I wanted to, it's able to detect smoke precisely with less cooking disturbances, ensuring peace of mind. I have a gas stove, so ensuring the safety of my family is very important to me, and the alarm being able to detect carbon monoxide is a necessity. It has a high precision detection with an accuracy of 99.6%. The alarm comes equipped with a micro mesh design. For times when you get low battery warnings or even false alarms, you can quickly silence it with just one click. Look, no matter where you live, having a smoke alarm is important to help you feel at ease and to ensure your family's safety because we just never know. So be sure to check out Siterwells alarms using the link down in the description. Now let's finish this playhouse.
To finish building the portion of the playhouse, I wanted to add trim all the way around, including the windows and the doorway. I decided to use the leftover paint from the shed I painted a few months back since I knew there would be just enough and it would be one less expense. Me and my mini-me spent some time together painting in our PJs. I wanted to spray it to be able to finish it faster. I knew that it would be a lot quicker if I did, but she wanted to paint too, so I thought, why not? Part of parenting is remembering to slow down for moments like this, allowing my kids to take part in whatever it is I'm doing so they can learn to do things too, even if it means they abandon ship sooner than I'd like, and even if it means taking twice as long. I know I'll look back on these memories and wish for moments where I could slow down again. And I hope that we'll also look back on those memories we made together and hope it brings them happiness. I ended up doing two coats using a brush for the grooves and a roller for the rest. I bought and put together a little food market. I actually bought it brand new, but it was from Facebook Marketplace. But you can actually find it on Amazon. I painted the trim in a black color, again using the leftover paint from the shed. And no playhouse is complete, in my opinion, without a play kitchen. I wanted to add a chalkboard and a whiteboard, and I thought about buying the rolls you can just stick on the wall, but I decided on an easel instead, and I separated the two sides and just stuck those on the wall. This easel and the play kitchen were also a Facebook Marketplace find. Of course, this playhouse needed some swings, so I went ahead and added those as well. The last thing to finish off the inside was a set of table and chairs to play, to color, or to paint. I've had a lot of fun doing this build, and out of everything I've created so far, this means the absolute most to me. Thank you for being a part of something so special. I love y'all, be kind, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.